Forget edges for a second. If the universe has no outside, where would you go if you tried to leave? And if there is an outside, what could possibly be out there? B. Let's pull on that paradox. Buckle up. We're heading beyond the horizon line, into ideas where language stretches, maps fold, and outside might not mean what you think it does. First, definitions. When cosmologists say universe, they usually mean everything. Space, time, energy, laws, but we only see a slice, the observable universe. Light has a speed limit, and space itself has been expanding for 13.8 billion years. That sets a horizon, like a glowing shoreline, beyond which light hasn't had time to reach us yet. So the observable is a bubble around us, not a special center, just our vantage point. Every galaxy has its own bubble too. What about the entire universe beyond that horizon? It could continue, possibly infinitely, far past what we can ever see. Now, about outside. If space is finite, but unbounded, there's no wall to hit. Think of moving on Earth's surface. You can travel forever without falling off an edge. In that picture, outside doesn't exist inside the geometry. You never reach an edge. Space wraps around and every direction keeps going. If space is infinite, there's also no edge. Just more space. No center, no boundary. Outside again doesn't apply. To picture expansion, imagine dots for galaxies on a stretching fabric. The dots move apart, not by flying through space, but because space itself grows. Where could an outside make sense? One idea is inflation, a brief, furious growth that may spawn multiple bubble universes. In that picture, our cosmos is one bubble in a frothy multiverse. Speculative? Yes, but it offers testable hints to chase. What evidence would we look for? Subtle scars in the cosmic microwave background, patterns a colliding bubble might leave behind. Nothing confirmed. So far we just have clean maps and intriguing puzzles. The hunt continues. Another angle. Topology. Could space wrap around so far away light eventually returns from behind us? We test curvature. Closed like a sphere, flat like a sheet, or open like a saddle. Current measurements? Very close to flat, within uncertainties. Flat doesn't rule out clever wraps. A video game map can be flat yet loop at the edges. If our cosmos loops, the pattern imprinted in ancient light might betray it. What about galaxies receding faster than light? That can happen beyond our horizon because space expands. Nothing breaks relativity. Locally, nothing outruns light. Globally, the fabric can grow, carrying galaxies apart, faster than any ship could fly through it. Now, outside time. Did the universe have a before? In standard Big Bang cosmology, time as we know it emerges with the hot, dense early universe. Ask before, and the question may not be well defined. But ideas abound. A quantum bounce could replace a beginning with a prior contracting phase. Our Big Bang is a rebound. Eternal inflation paints another picture. A vast inflating sea where pocket universes, like ours, bubble into existence, each with its own cosmic settings. These scenarios are tentative. We'd need distinctive fingerprints, like specific polarization patterns or collision signatures, to take them seriously. Practically, we push the frontier with better maps. 21-centimeter surveys will chart hydrogen across cosmic time, extending our reach by inference. Next-gen observatories will probe curvature, topology, and the first light. If space wraps, or doesn't, we'll tighten the answer. Gravitational wave astronomy adds ears to our eyes, letting us listen beyond dust and darkness to events that shape space-time itself. Here's the twist. Even with perfect instruments, some regions will always lie beyond our horizon. Limits aren't bugs, they're clues. We use physics to translate those limits into knowledge, correcting for expansion, testing relativity, and cross-checking our cosmic map with many messengers. So, what is outside the universe? Standard cosmology shrugs. The question may not apply. Yet the possibilities guide sharper questions. Maybe space is infinite. Maybe it wraps. Maybe our bubble is one of many. Each idea is a ladder. We climb, test a rung, and keep climbing. We're still on page 1 of a very big story. If you want more delightful cosmic weirdness and careful speculation, you're in the right place. Tap subscribe and ride along. I'll bring the mysteries, minus the hype, every week. Keep your curiosity calibrated, and as always, stay curious.